am the master of the rail. I'll start again.
And now we are making a railway of the track.
And
so here we go testing it out.
I am the master of the railway, and I am going to officially open this up, but it needs to be 10 out of 10. So here we go. First of all, I go slow. Now, there's a bit of a problem.
I have already tested.
So I've got to... Because I can't get there. That's a bit of a problem, so I've got to note that down. But...
What's wrong?
There is one. There is a loser might do it.
I'm gonna have it. Right. So I go slowly now.
Wow, look at that. Where's that going?
I'm going slowly. Past the manager.
Around the table. Oh, look at the track all the way around.
Right, now I need to go fast this time because we turn the wheel.
Where's the other one? Where's the other train gone? There he is. Whoa.
Right, now to go fast. This is my fast one.
So how was it then?
It was quite good, but now I'm going to see how fast I can actually go. Right, here we go. Oh dear. Now that's a problem. So that straight down there is the best, but here you need to slow down. And that's, we can say, slow down for this person here.